Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Students, in our previous video we have understand how to convert the fractions into decimals and how to convert decimals into fractions. Today we will understand how to express in decimals. Let us understand with the help of questions. Our first question is 5 paise in rupees. Students, we have to convert paise in rupees. I hope so students that you people are familiar that when we are moving from rupees to paise, if we have to convert rupees into paise, so it means we have to multiply by 100. We have to multiply by 100. But students, when we are moving back or when we have to convert paise to rupees, in that case we have to divide by 100. Here in this question, 5 paise is given and we have to convert it into rupees. So to convert paise to rupees, we have to divide by 100. So yes students, when I will divide 5 by 100, I will be able to convert it into rupees. Yet students, now it has become R. R means rupees. Now question is saying express in decimals. We are not required to leave it here only. We have to convert into decimals. Yes students, in our denominator how many number of zeros are there? We have 2 number of zeros. So in numerator after 2 digits we will put a decimal point. See here students, we will count from the last. In my previous videos, I have already explained you how to convert fraction into decimals. We have 2 zeros in the denominator. So in numerator, we will check from the last and after 2 digits, we will put the decimal point. 1. Students, here second digit is not there. So when we are not having digits, so what we used to do? We used to put 0 there. Yes, now we have 2 digits. So let's count from the last and after 2 digits we have to put the decimal point. 1, 2. This is our decimal point which will come here. And students, I told earlier also, although it is not mandatory to put 0 before decimal, but yes, if you will put, it will be better. Yes students, if nothing is given before decimal, so we used to put 0 from our side. So our answer is students 0.05 rupees. I have converted 5 paise in rupees and I have expressed also in decimals. Let us understand one more question. In question number 2, 25 kg 84 gram is given to us. We have to convert it into kilograms. Students, I hope so you people are familiar with the one rule, that is King Harry died, grandmother did not cry much. Students, this full we have to convert into kilograms. 25 is already in the kilogram. So we have to convert only 84 gram to the kilograms. Yes students, we have to convert gram to the kilogram. When we are moving back, it means we have to divide. If we have to shift 3 times or we have to jump 3 times, it means we have to divide by 1000. If 3 times we have to jump, so there will be 3 zeros. It means 1000. So let's convert it students. We will convert 84 gram into kilogram by dividing with 1000. Now it has become kilogram. Yes students, in our denominator how many number of zeros? 3. So in numerator, from the last we will count and after 3 digits we will put a decimal point. Yes, let's count from the last. 1, 2, 3. Students, at the place of 3 we are not having anything. So we will put 0. Now, yes, we will put the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, and now it is decimal. Before decimal, if nothing is there, so we used to put 0. Students, we have converted 84 gram into 0.084 kilogram. Yes, 25 is already in kilogram. 84 gram I have already converted into kilogram. But students, always answer is 1. So what we have to do? We will add these. These both are kilogram. This is also kilogram. And yes, this is also kilogram. So students, we will add both of them to find out our final answer. Now students, we have to add 25 kg with 0.084 kg. Students, we can observe that in this number we have a decimal point, but in 25 we do not have a decimal. So, students, we can put the decimal from our side whenever you required a decimal in a number. So, it is a choice given to us that we can put a dot or the decimal point after the number, or at last we can put. Right students, now we will add them. 25.0. To add students, we have to put point के नीचे point. Point से पहले students 0 and after point 0.84. So now let's add them. If nothing is there, so we can put 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. And 5 plus 0, 5. And 2 plus 0, 2. Students, our answer is 25.084 kg. Hence, students, we have converted this full number into kilograms and we have expressed this in decimals also. I hope so students, it is clear to you all that how we can express in the decimals.